Now you can create your own AI influencers for free.
All you need to do is to go to Higgsfield and go to Influencer tab. You don't even need to have a paid subscription.
Higgsfield is really amazing. Even on free plan, you will get few generation to play around.
More than 100 customization options with full motion and up to 30-second HD videos. So let's quickly go through and see how to create AI influencers like this with ease.
Click the link below, it will take you directly to Higgsfield. If you don't have an account, create one for free and I'm sure you will enjoy this. Once you log in, you will notice how simple the user interface is. You get all your customization on the right under the Build tab. This is where you control everything about your character. Things like the character types, gender, and appearance. You can also give a traditional text prompt in the Prompt tab. I'll talk more about both of these later. On the left, you get few examples of characters from Higgsfield itself. These are great for inspiration and also show you the level of detail you can control. When you select a character, Higgsfield shows you the exact builder combination used to create that. So instead of guessing, you can reverse engineer what works before using up your free generations. If you are on a free plan, this is especially useful since you only get a limited number of free generation. So it's a good idea to study these setups before experimenting on your own. Alright, let's try to create a futuristic character with a mix of human and digital features. So first, let's select human from the character type, then go for a female with an Asian and European mix. When it comes to ethnicities, you can select multiple to make mixed ethnicities like Euro-Asian. Let's skip the skin color for this and set the eye color to amber. You can also use the color picker if you really want to. Let's add a little bit of freckles and select adult for the age. Now let's have a look at advanced settings. You have three tabs here: face, body and style. Let's go to the style tab first because one of the most important settings is hidden right here. Rendering style. Rendering style include options like anime, cartoon, 2D, and for this one, we will go with hyperrealistic. You can also add markings like tattoos and scars, and let's choose cyber markings and select long hair. Next, under the body type, you can set the overall body type and also adjust the individual arms and legs. Now in the face tabs, let's set the eyes to mechanical. You can adjust the eye details like glowing or even blind. You can find different mouth and teeth style as well as options for ears, horns and skin materials and even surface patterns. These combinations are what allows you to create very unique characters. Once all of this is set, let's head over to the prompt section at the very top. Here you can add a text prompt. Rather than explaining your character in detail, the best use of this section is to give specific details of your character that you couldn't specify in the builder. For this example, let's say to add pulsing neon blue circuit patterns across the neck and the cheeks to further adjust our character. And that's it. Once you have the configuration set exactly the way you like, click Generate Influencer. It will take a little time to generate since a lot of people are currently using this new feature. It might take slightly longer than usual. And honestly, this looks great. If you want, you can regenerate the character, but keep in mind it will cost you credit or one of your free generations. We generated the same character a few times to see how it worked out. As you can see, there are some inconsistencies, like the robotic arm moves from right to the left and become mechanical one instead of robotic. So you can expect to see some inconsistencies here and there. To continue the demo, we will be selecting this image. You can also save the character. Optionally, you can do further editing using Nano Banana Pro before moving on to video generation. This is what I really enjoy about Higgsfield. They seamlessly combine multiple AI tools into a single workflow, which make the whole experience feel smooth and intuitive. To create a video, click the video button, click Explore More, and it will take you to Kling 2.6 Motion Control user interface. Again, it's another simple user interface. All you need to do is add the motion video you want to copy. You can upload your custom video between 3 to 30 seconds long. For example, you can download a trending clip from social media platform like TikTok and bring it here. Or you can select a motion you want, to copy from the templates provided. There are quite a few options already, but I'm sure they will add many more soon. Simply click on the ones you want to copy. Next, set the quality to 720p or 1080p resolution. You get the same number of generation regardless whether you choose 720p or Full HD. After that, you can control how the background looks. You can either select the video to use the video background or the image to use the image background. If you need something different, you can write a prompt under the advanced setting. Not only you can describe how the background looks, you can also add extra detail like a corgi run scene to make the video feel more unique and dynamic. You get one more option here, which is video orientation. My recommendation is to keep this as it is and match the orientation of the reference video, because the character motion tend to work best that way. So once everything looks good, double check your setting and click generate. After a while you get this. As you can see side by side, the movement transfer from the first video to the one we created is absolutely flawless. Here are some demos by Higgsfield, and honestly all of these are amazing, and it's really great that we now get this level of control with AI avatars. And if you want to adjust the background or specific elements in your video, the best thing to do is to use Kling Edit to refine your video with simple prompting. You can learn about that in this video. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And as a thank you for staying with us so far, all the assets we use along with a step-by-step guide for this workflow is included in our free Skool community in the link below. We'll continue to add more interesting AI video generation guide there as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you soon.